thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and those that are new, I welcome you and I thank you for joining the Ikonik gang. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this look, but before I do, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to like and comment, and also share, please. But guys, thank you so much thus far for your support. All right, so I am gonna go, well, first off, yeah, I know, gotta drink more water, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Daily Moisturizer. This is from Shea Moisture. It's like a glow and priming. I really like it, moisturizer. I'm gonna prep and prime, the usual with my Fix Plus spray. Okay, and today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with the Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup by Estee Lauder. And this is the 4-in-3 Maple Sugar. So, I really like this. I love this foundation. So, shake them up, shake them up, shake them. Put it on my little dish here. And then take my Beauty Blender. You know what? Lies and fallacies. Corrector. Then to conceal, I'm going to use my, of course, Makeup Forever, the Matte Velvet 4.5 to touch up on the dark spots. So, just to fill you guys in, I'd gotten a chemical peel with extractions done, and yo, let me tell you, I was looking real, like, I looked messed up. But like, my esthetician told me, she said you gotta embrace the process. And when I say my face feels so amazing, and we just started, so we have a lot more to do. So I'm just super excited about, you know, like I said, the process of getting my skin how I really want it to be. But it feels so good. Now we get to the foundation. Okay, now we're gonna go in with my concealer for highlight, and again, the Makeup Forever 4.3. This stuff is amazing, amazing. Take it here, the Norm. Drag it. Actually, nice. Okay, y'all. Now I have what we're gonna do. I need to set everything. So, Lord Mercier and brow game. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera. Now for the eyes, my Nayavista, pretty much like it's like a natural palette. And I'm gonna go in with this Melanin color right here. And this will be my transition. This is a pretty color. But we're just doing windshield wipers. See how like pretty that color is. I'm gonna take my dose of colors in Friendication, and I'm gonna take this color is Churro right here. Beautiful palette as well. Just take that. Again, working it in. Just layering. Layering, layering. Then I'm gonna go back into my Nayavista, and I'm gonna do the color 777 right here. Just dab in, just like that. Okay, and for that brown liner, then I'm gonna take Friendication again. In this color, I'm gonna go in that dark brown here, and this is Cheens. So take that. And just outline. Okay guys, so we have the lashes on. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and dust all this off at the and then I'm gonna take my good old faithful Beyond Beauty for my under eyes. This one here. Now we're gonna sculpt the face. Good old faithful. The True Complexion Contour Palette from medium to dark. Sculpt. Ooh. Yikes. All right, then I'm gonna touch my lower lashes. Take this beautiful Yara. That's like my fave. Just like that. Gotta smile. Ooh. Then I'm gonna take my gilded honey. I've also got to go in with my MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette, and I like to use Accentuate to really brighten, just like that. Final lip, I'm taking my MAC Cork Lip Liner. Just like that. And then I'm gonna apply my Nayavista Skintight, pretty color. Smells amazing. Okay, now we're gonna hit these edges. And this hair, these are clip-ins. These are my clip-ins that I've been testing for now a month or so, and love. Kinky straight for us natural girls. So I'm gonna show you that it blends very well. All right. So first thing I like to do is my heat protector with Fantasia. It's spread down. I'm just touching up. I don't really have to do a whole lot. And before I do anything else, I'm gonna put everything with my dark mineralized skin finish. Finish the look off. Boom. Then, all right, I could not find my brush and really didn't feel like doing all that, honestly. So I'm gonna take this is my Nano Titanium by Babliss Pro. That's all I do. And this is raw Chinese kinky straight. Not rimming, raw virgin hair, raw Chinese virgin hair, or raw virgin Malaysian hair. There is a difference. So it does, I'm gonna be honest, it is a little shedding, but it ain't like you walking around like a poodle and you got hair everywhere. That's not the case. But I do tend to like to brush and comb a lot. Just like that. All right, guys, this is the final product. So this is how I achieved that look that was posted on my Instagram, that I got a lot of love for on. So I really appreciate it. But this is the look. I mean, simple, straight to the point, very beginner friendly in a way. Of course, practice makes perfect, but still. So I'll have the list of all the products that I use in the description below. Again, I thank you so much for taking out the time to watch. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, all right? Don't forget it. And then, guys, again, share. Definitely leave your comments, your questions, whatever it is that you want to see next. Definitely you can let me know in the comment section. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you again. And remember to be iconic. Love, peace, and light. Bye, y'all.